Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to learn present continuous, one of the four present tenses in English. The four present tenses are present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In this lesson, we will focus on present continuous, which we use to talk about actions happening now or around this time. The lesson will be spoken in English, and Thai translations are provided to help you follow along. Let's get started. Present continuous is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or around the present time. The basic structure is subject plus am, is, or are, plus verb-ing. For example, I am working. Let's look at the helping verbs. We use am with I. We use is with he, she, and it. And we use are with you, we, and they. To make the ing form, most verbs simply add ing. For example, work becomes working. If a verb ends in e, remove the e and add ing. For example, write becomes writing. Some short verbs double the final consonant. For example, run becomes running. Common time expressions include now, right now, the moment, these days, currently, and today. Now let's see some examples. Let's read some present continuous examples together. Number 1. I am reading a book. Number 2. You are eating lunch. Number 3. He is listening to music. Number 4. She is sleeping. Number 5. It is raining outside. Number 6. We are studying English. Number 7. They are playing guitar. Number 8. Mom is cooking dinner. Number 9. Dad is riding a bike. And number 10. I am using my phone. Notice that all of these actions are happening now or around this time. That's why we use the present continuous tense. Excellent work! Today you learned how to use the present continuous tense to talk about actions happening now. Keep practicing by describing what people are doing around you. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.